1.2 order of operations. I can do order of operations.
All right, Lily, thank you. Do you guys agree? Can you now do order of operations?
Yes.
A lot of you said you could do them before, but did you learn something?
Yes.
I think most of you did. Most of you are like, oh wow, there's some things I didn't realize. Can someone explain the difference between an expression and an equation to me? Our first two words are expression and equation in vocab. What is the difference, Meredith?
An expression is a math sentence with no equal sign, and an equation is a math sentence with an equal sign.
Good. One has an equal sign, that's an equation. One does not, that's an expression. Everybody, what does evaluate mean?
To solve.
Solve or to answer, right? Okay, and then order of operations would be the order in which you perform operations if there are more than one in the problem. Okay? PEMDAS. Can somebody go through PEMDAS and tell me what that acronym stands for? Each of the letters stands for some specific mathematical operation. What do they stand for? Mo, go ahead.
Parentheses.
So the P is parentheses.
E is exponents. F is multiplication. D is division. A is addition. And S is subtraction.
Okay, thank you, Mo. Now we have a little thing up here in which it looks like multiplication and division are bracketed, and there's a heart. And then we have addition and subtraction bracketed, and there's a heart. What does that mean? What do we mean when we say that multiplication and division are in love, as represented by the heart? And what does it mean when we say addition and subtraction are in love, as we mean by the heart? What does that mean, Hannah?
It means that division would put multiplication in front of itself, and subtraction would put addition.
So, yeah, very good, Hannah. They're in love, which means they don't really know which one should come first in a problem. So they just work left to right. So an example would be for multiplication and division. If you have 3 divided by 2 times 2, what do you do first, you guys?
Division.
You do division first. Even though multiplication comes first in PEMDAS, you would actually do the division problem first because these two are in love, which means the order really doesn't matter. I'm sorry, the order matters going left to right. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Hope I didn't confuse you there. Addition and subtraction then, same thing. If we have 4 minus 2 plus 2, what do we do first? The 4 minus 2 or the 2 plus 2?
4 minus 2.
4 minus 2, because again, addition and subtraction are in love, so whichever one comes first, you do first in your operations. Okay, remember that's on the cheat poll. You have it now in your notes, it's on your video. 6 and 7 explain those two rules. And then down here in note number 3, we have some examples. Why did I draw an upside down triangle around our work here? What does the upside down triangle mean, Avery?
It means don't skip a step.
Don't skip a step. So you basically are doing one step at a time. We cannot skip a step. If you do one step at a time, the problem gets smaller and smaller, and then you can put a pizza slice around it or an upside down triangle. So on number 9, we did 5 times 2 first, and then we got to a 3 minus 10, and then our answer was negative 7, and so on and so forth as we go through the rest of our problems. There's number 10, there's number 11. As you can see, all of them are getting smaller and smaller, and you can make an upside down triangle or a pizza slice. Questions?